Ford F-150, customer complains, engine running a little rough, and they hear a noise inside the cab. Check it out. I don't know if you can hear it, but there is a suction sound inside here. It does have vacuum operated climate control. So we gotta figure out if it's the vacuum from the climate control or the brake booster. Motor's shaking a little bit. I got autofocus on my camera, so it doesn't really show it. But you pull your brake booster vacuum hose out, and the motor steadies out for us. It runs a lot smoother. Cover up the vacuum feed to the brake booster. The noise inside the cab goes away. As we plug this back in, the motor starts chugging a little again. It's got some vibrations to it. So we got a defective brake booster sucking in air from the back side towards the cab. Brake booster is constantly sucking in that vacuum, making it run rough at idle, leaning out the engine, sucking in too much air. So we'll go ahead and get a new brake booster coming, replace that, and that should take care of their issues, and they'll be able to stop really good again. It's to the point where like the brakes are like kind of hard to stop, but it's not horrible. So it is a slight vacuum leak. I'd say medium to heavy from the brake booster.